Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Coinbase staking detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Coinbase app on your device. Log into your account if you are not already logged in. Navigate to the Assets tab to view your cryptocurrency holdings. Locate the cryptocurrency for which you have enabled staking. Tap on that specific asset to open its details. Scroll down until you find the staking section. Select the option that shows your current staking status. Look for the Unstake or Stop Staking button. Tap on the Unstake or Stop Staking button. A confirmation prompt will appear, stating the terms of unstaking. Read the terms carefully before proceeding. If you agree, confirm your choice by tapping the appropriate button. The app will process your request to unstake the asset. You may receive a notification indicating the completion of the process. Check your account to ensure that the asset is no longer staked. Your staked funds will become available for transfer or trading based on Coinbase uptime restrictions. If you want to unstake multiple assets, repeat the process for each one. Always make sure to keep your app updated for the latest features and security improvements. Consider checking the FAQs or help section of Coinbase for any unique circumstances related to unstaking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.